grow up and blow away.
It takes a single tree 10 to 20 years to grow to a size suitable for the process of paper production. Thus, although paper is a renewable resource, it is not a quick nor effective process. To obtain the best quality of print and finish, non-recycled paper is used. To make 1 ton of virgin paper, 12 trees are chopped down. Due to an increased demand for paper with technological advances, such as desktop printers, the paper industry is struggling to remain self-sustained, and forests are still being cleared to ensure that the industry can keep up with global demand. It has been estimated that 1/3 of the total paper used globally is attributed to the graphic design and publications industry.